Okay, this is the first Bleepie Hexpansion assembled. So we've got the RA02 on the back, the RP2040 and the Bleeper, batch of PCBs. So 3 modules, and yeah, let's plug into the badge and see if we get detection. Look at the antenna on the back there. We should, yep, detected and launched. So we can go in and see our status. We've got our default frequency and everything there, so we'll come back out of there and send a page using one of our little transmitters. Bleeps, light green, light blue, and then we can go in, we still have to use the launcher app to find the app, launch the Bleepie app, into messages, there's a message to 1234, it works.